Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annalise, and in today's video I am not fake tan still. I'm still really pale, so we're just all gonna have to deal with pale Annalise today. But I'm super excited for this video because I'm gonna be putting my knowledge of Fashion Nova to the test, because today I'm gonna be guessing which items are the highest rated items on Fashion Nova and which ones are the lowest. So the way that this is gonna work is that we have three categories: dresses, tops, and heels. So my mum, thank you mum, went on to Fashion Nova and bought the highest rated and lowest rated dresses, highest rated, lowest rated tops, highest rated, lowest rated heels, and I am going to guess which ones are which and see if I'm any good at this. So it should be a lot of fun. It sounds like it's sponsored by Fashion Nova. It's definitely not, but today's video is in fact sponsored by Covet Fashion. So Covet Fashion is not just a game, it's a virtual interactive styling platform that launched in June of 2013, and I actually used to play this game on my iPod Touch way back in 2014, if y'all even remember what iPod Touches were, and I really wish I could find my account username and password because I would love to see the outfits that I came up with back then, because I'm sure they would be interesting to say the least. But recently I started playing this game again, and it is so much fun because y'all know I love fashion, but I'm not very good at like making clothes, but styling, that's where it's at. And I love that on this app you can make a bunch of different outfits for different categories and then vote on other people's outfits on which ones are your fave. So Covet Fashion digitalizes over 150 real brands such as Calvin Klein, Badly Mishka, and Rachel Zoe, and puts them at the fingertips of millions of women to virtually style with. And Covet Fashion releases new styles on the app every single day, along with 6 to 7 new challenges. So this app is so much fun, and if you live in the USA or Canada, you are able to enter the Covet Sustainably campaign, where you can have a chance to win a $1,000 shopping spree with digital gift cards from Rev de Brie, Lizzie Gee, Lane New York, Altair, and Hose and Var. And every Friday in April, Covet will be highlighting sustainable fashion brands who make it their mission to be environmentally conscious. So download the app and complete the tutorial for a chance to win. The more you play, the more entries you'll get. And be sure to click the link down below, because if you do, you will receive a free gift on the app picked out by me. Now let's get into the video. So I want to start this off with the dresses. So I have 2 dresses here, and they both have the exact same packaging. So one of these is the highest rated item on Fashion Nova and one is the lowest. So the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to open up both, look at them, review them, then try on both, then come back and give you guys my final thoughts on which item I think is the highest and lowest rated. So let's open up this one first. I also have no idea what any of these items are, so I'm hoping that they are like cute because I want to be able to wear them, obviously. Okay. This is the first item. It is this long sleeve dress that is a midi length. The quality isn't great. As you guys can see, it's like that slinky cotton material which goes see-through super easily. And so for all of these items, I do have the prices here, but that's all I know. So this dress cost 33 Aussie dollars. So first impressions of this is that I do not know off the bat if it's lowest or highest. I can't see any glaringly obvious issues, but it's also not like absolutely amazing. So let's open up the other dress. Okay, this dress is completely different despite being the same color. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of difficult to show you guys. It is this black mini dress that has a cutout in the front here, and it goes around to be midi length. I think I said midi then, but it's midi. So this is cute. Oh, what was that? Was I just possessed? Okay, but this is gorgeous. It's definitely more my personal style, and oh my gosh, I could wear this to like the clubs. This with like some jewelry to like glam it up a little bit. That would be gorgeous. But anyway, not the point of this video. Well, I mean, outfits are always the point of my videos, aren't they? But this is gorgeous. This is a lot better made than this one because it is double lined the whole way through. This was more expensive. This was $46. And honestly, out of these two, my favorite is this one, not the long sleeve, because it just seems to be better made. So my guess right now is that this is probably the highest rated one, and then the long sleeve is the lowest, but let's go try them on first before I make any decision. This is what the long sleeve dress looks like on. So this is the front and this is the back, and I love this dress. I did not think I would love it this much, but I feel so sexy in it, which is weird because usually if I'm all covered up like this, I don't feel sexy, but I do in this, and I love this dress. So it's not the best made. As I said earlier, the quality on the arms isn't great because it's just that one thin material, and after a couple of washes that's going to become see-through. And I also don't love how on this dress at the bottom it's not sewn together, the double lining, so I don't love that. But overall, it's a cute dress. Like, I would definitely get a lot of wears out of this, and I think it's a good basic piece, especially going into winter in Australia. I'm gonna get a lot of wears out of this as long as it doesn't fall apart on me. So I really love this item. However, due to the quality, I'm kind of thinking that this one might be the lowest rated item. But let's try on the other dress first. This dress is extremely disappointing. I really wanted this to work. As you guys saw, I was so excited for it. I was like, yes, I can wear this out clubbing, will be great. It is really big on me. So everything in this video is in a size extra small. I have shopped on Fashion Nova a million times. I always get a size extra small, and this is extra small, but it is massive on me. Not so much the skirt, that is like a little bit big but not too bad, but this top is huge on me. Like if we look at the back, there is so much space here. So I don't know what has happened, but this has to be the lowest rated item, and then the other dress, the long sleeve, has to be the highest rated. I would be shocked if it wasn't. So I have my laptop here. Let's see what they are rated. I was right. The long sleeve dress was rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, whilst the other dress that was way too big on me was rated 2 out of 5 stars. And the reviews are saying that it's rated 2 out of 5 stars because it's too big, which it definitely is. I'm so happy though that I got those right. Yes, we are off to a great start. That is 1 point to me for the dresses. The next category is the tops. So I have two very different looking tops here. So I'm going to start off with this one because I'm intrigued to see what this looks like. Okay, so this is the first top. It is this crop top that has this gorgeous pattern. This is very Y2K style, very on trend right now, and I love the design. However, it's not amazingly made, and this top was 40 Aussie dollars, so that's quite a lot. I don't think it's worth it because it's literally just like chiffon material, but it does look cute, but it is a lot. So let's open up the next top and see what we think. This is the next item. So it is a bodysuit, which I love bodysuits. Hello, I'm wearing this one. This actually isn't mine, it's my best friend's Katie's, but this bodysuit is super cute. So it's black, and if you can see, maybe if I put my hand through you'll be able to see better, has this design on the front where it's got like, all over it, sorry, it's got like patches of chiffon, so it's completely see-through, but I think that's a part of the design, so you have to wear like a black crop top underneath this. But this is gorgeous. I really like this. I definitely think it's a lot better quality than this top, and they both cost the same amount. They're both $40. So I'm thinking right now that this is the highest rated item and this is the lowest rated item, but before I make the decision, we need to go try them on. This is what the top looks like on. Sorry, this is the front and this is the back, and I don't like this. And I really was thinking like, why don't I like this top? It's cute, like it looks cute, but I don't like it because of the quality of it. It's really poorly made. So mainly on the bottom hem here, it is extremely tight. It's like I really almost couldn't get this top on, yet the straps are really loose, like they could fall down easily. So it's just poorly made and the quality is really bad, and I just feel really uncomfortable in this top because it's that bad. Alrighty, this is what the jazz hands, this is what the bodysuit looks like on. So this is the front and this is the back, and this is the back, and this is the back. For continuity's sake, I'm just wearing the same pants as I was with the crop top, but this top I actually prefer a lot more. It is super cute. I'm just wearing a black crop top underneath it, and it's gorgeous. I love it so much. It's a lot better made than that other top, and I feel so much more comfortable in this because it's so much better well made. So this has to be the highest rated top. If not, then I mean, delete my whole channel at this point. I clearly know nothing about fashion. Let's see what the reviews say. So this is rated 2.3 out of 5 stars, whereas the bodysuit is rated 4.3 out of 5 stars. Yes, I got it right again. Hell yes. Amazing. So the reviews are saying that this is very poor quality and that it's way too small. So yeah, completely agree with that, and I love this bodysuit. I can't wait to wear it. I think it's a great piece, so that makes complete sense. It is now time for what I'm sure you could have guessed is going to be my favorite category in this video, because it is the heels. I love this because I now have 2 new pairs of heels. Well, hopefully they're cute, actually. Didn't think of that. Some of the heels on Fashion Nova can be a bit crazy, so I'm hoping that these are cute. So let's open up this first box. I should mention that this one is from Wild, like they're both from Fashion Nova, but this one's from the brand Wild Diva Lounge on Fashion Nova, and this is like the actual Fashion Nova brand. So I wonder if that's gonna make a difference. But let's open up the Wild Diva first and see what these are. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, that was, again, what is with me? Why when I get excited do I turn into a middle-aged man with a smoking problem? Anyway, oh, yes, look at this. See what happened again? Look at the, oh, these are gorgeous. Oh, these are stunning. Beautiful. Okay, let me take the other one out of the packaging. I mean, these shoes are gorgeous. This is definitely something in my style, which I love because not many of the other items really have been. These I would definitely buy for myself, and I'm definitely keeping these, and I'm definitely gonna wear them. But the point of this video do I think that these are the lowest rated or highest rated, and how's the quality? The quality of these seems great. None of the rhinestones are missing, which is really good. I know that sounds silly, but so often when I buy sparkly items, half the rhinestones come missing. So it's good that none are. And these cost 40 Aussie dollars. So pretty standard for a pair of heels, especially with the sparkly detail. That's quite good. So I love these. I think that they are great. Let's see what the other shoes are. I'm really excited to open this up because I don't know what these heels are. Same with the other ones. I didn't know. So let's hope there's something good. Ah, okay. Okay, these are cute. Oh, I actually don't have a pair of shoes like this. I did, but I gave them to my best friend because they didn't fit me. So, yay! Okay, love this. So they are these beautiful clear heels that are kind of like Yeezy 2016 inspired. So let me take out the other one. So these are the heels. They are absolutely stunning. Again, no real issues with these, and these are a great pair, I mean aesthetics wise, are a great pair of heels because they're going to match with everything, and having a thick heel on the back means that they're going to be quite comfortable. So I'm not seeing any issues with these, and I think that they are gorgeous. And I also absolutely adore these shoes. I love both. I'm so happy that these are now in my collection, but I cannot tell which are the lowest rated and which are the highest rated. So we're gonna go have to try them on because maybe one of these is like extremely uncomfortable to wear. Let's do it. So these are what the Gorge heels look like on. And so y'all know I definitely could have just worn the same outfit as before, but I wanted to style up these heels because I love them so much. So I'm wearing this cute little dress that is from White Fox Boutique and these dangly earrings that are from Lovisa to match. And I love these shoes so much. So I'm sure you're wondering, are they comfortable to wear? And the answer is yes. I have no issues with these at all. I was worried if like the plastic bit would be harsh on my skin, but it's not at all. And they are super duper comfortable, mainly because they don't have a massive heel. And I love these. Easy to walk in, no issues at all. So I can't see these being the lowest rated heels because they are gorgeous and I love them. So these are what the clear heels look like on. So I just kept on the same outfit as before because these match perfectly. And these heels are amazing because they're gonna match with so many outfits. I love them. I think that they are super comfortable to walk in. Well, I mean, comfortable for heels, you know what I mean? They're not, no heels are ever comfortable, but for heels, they don't hurt my feet. So I like them a lot, and I also don't think that these would be the lowest rated heels, and I don't think that the other ones would be either. But obviously, one of them has to be the highest, and one has to be the lowest. Now, with all the other items in this video, I've had a pretty good guess on which is the lowest rated and which is the highest rated. But with these heels, I really cannot tell which one is lowest rated and which one is highest. They're both gorgeous and I love them both so much, but I'm thinking that maybe the sparkly will be the highest rated because for the price it is a good heel and it has lots of detail, whereas this is a bit more basic. That is my guess, but both of these are amazing heels, so really in my opinion neither should be the lowest rated, but let's see what the reviews say. Okay, so this heel is rated 3.4 out of 5 stars, whilst this heel is rated 4.1 out of 5 stars. Dang it, I got it wrong. Oh man, as if I got the heels wrong out of everything. Heels are my thing. Damn. Okay, so these are the highest rated and these are the lowest. I really want to see why these are rated so poorly. All of the reviews are saying that these are a size small and that you need to size up. I personally disagree. I did not have that issue at all. And I got these in my correct size, yeah, a size 8, and I didn't have an issue. I thought that these fit just as well as this other pair and they are both in a size 8. So there we go. Overall, I got 2 out of 3 categories right, which I think is pretty good. I'm so disappointed in myself that I got the heels wrong. Heels are my thing, but it is what it is. So be sure to comment down below if I should do this sort of challenge again and what stores and what items it should be with, because I had a lot of fun doing this, something a little bit different, and I really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys did too. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and all that fun stuff because I post lots of behind the scenes things, outfits of the day, and all fun things like that. Also, I always forget to tell you guys, but please subscribe if you liked my videos because it really helps me out and just means a lot to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. I'll see you then. Bye. Mwah.